Logic. Examples 1 and 2. Statements. A statement is a declarative sentence that can be objectively determined to be true or false. But not both. So in example 1, I'm asking you which of the following are statements. It is snowing. Well, it either is or it isn't, so this would be a statement. The salsa is very hot. So that is not an objective thing that can be judged. That is very much an opinion. So that is not a statement. 18 plus 12 equals 40 is something that can be declared whether or not it's true or false. Would you like fries with that? Is a question. Therefore, it is not a statement, and it cannot be declared true or false. So only A or C are statements because it can be declared whether or not it's true or false. Notice that whether a statement is true or false doesn't matter when determining if it is a statement. Whether or not a sentence is a statement lies entirely in being able to objectively determine if the sentence is true or false. Opinion cannot come into play. Simple and compound statements. Statements can be classified as simple or compound. A simple statement contains only one idea. While a compound statement consists of two or more simple statements. Compound statements are formed by joining simple statements with connectives. The basic connectives are and, or, if then, and if and only if. Each connective has a formal name. And is called a conjunction. Or is called a disjunction. If then is called a conditional. And if and only if is called biconditional. So if you took geometry, then the if then and the if and only if should seem a little bit familiar to you. All right, example 2. Classify each statement as simple or compound. If it is compound, state the types of connective used. So the solution to the inequality is x is less than 5 or x is greater than 15. So another way you could think about saying this is the solution to the inequality is x is less than 5 or the solution to the inequality is x is greater than 15. Either way, it is a compound statement, and the or is a disjunction. I'll make brownies for dessert if we have enough eggs. Well, this is compound. And specifically, if I rewrote this as if we have enough eggs, then I'll make brownies. If I put this first, it means the same thing, doesn't it? And so we're going to consider this a conditional. There's several ways we can write conditional statements. C. She has decided to buy the SUV with the heated seats. So this is one simple statement with one idea. Just talks about what somebody wants to buy. And it's not or, it's not the SUV or heated seats. Or and, well, nothing like that at all. I guess is the point I'm trying to get across. So this is a simple statement. You can go to the game if and only if you finish your homework. This is compound and quite easily to see that it is biconditional. He'll have surgery and return to work a week later. Again, this is compound, and with that and right there, we can see that it is a conjunction. Tomorrow is the last day to apply for graduation is just one idea. So that is simple. If you sign up, then you'll get free shipping on your first order. That's a pretty straightforward compound statement, specifically conditional. We see our if then. You must decide today or the offer will be rescinded. So that is clearly compound. It has two different ideas and it's a disjunction.